If you're wondering whether my programs are worth the price, let's dive into that. This isn't about just making money online. It's about creating daily income by just working 2 hours a day. No tech stress, no inventory, no overheads. Just freedom. If you follow the steps and are coachable and consistent, you're not just likely to succeed, you're positioned to succeed. It's already working for people with no experience, no audience, just like I was. You're not paying for information, you're paying for speed. These programs cut out years of guessing. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is plug in and go. No, it's not magic. Yes, you will have to show up. But if you can give just 2 hours a day, follow a checklist and take action. This is one of the simplest paths to consistent online income. If you're ready to stop wondering and start winning, drop info in the comments and I'll send you all the information regarding my 6-figure blueprint.